Hello everyone, breaking news everyone. Exciting new information have just been confirmed about Fujikaze and his upcoming appearance at Coachella on April 19th. Fans around the world have been waiting for this moment and now the schedule for 2 weeks is officially set. But what is really catching attention is not just the date, it is the growing belief that his next performance will feel completely different from what we have been seen before. Today, let's break a closer look at what is happening and explore four key reasons why this upcoming stage could become a defining moment. First, let's talk about the confirmed schedule. Fujikaze is set to appear during Coachella Week 2, and his alone create a unique situation. Performance in Week 2 too often evolve from Week 1. Artists observe audience reaction, fine tune their set list, and sometimes even redesign part of the snow. This means that what we are about to witness may not be a simple repeat, instead it could be a refined and upgraded version shaped by real-time feedback and creative adjustment. For an artist like Fujikaze, who is known for a subtle detail and emotional control, this environment creates the perfect opportunity to deliver something deeper and more complete. The second reason is the potential change in musical arrangement. Fujikaze is not just a singer, he is a musician who constantly reshapes his sound. His live performance offer differ from studio recording, and fans already know that he enjoys experimenting with tempo, harmony, and vocal expression. At a global stage like Coachella, there is a strong possibility that he will introduce new arrangement that highlight a more international sound. This could include extended instrumental section, unexpected transition, or even moment where the audience become part of the rhythm. These changes may transform familiar song into something entirely new. The third reason is the visual direction. Coachella is not only about music, it is about atmosphere and storytelling. Every detail from highlighting to camera framing playing a role in shaping the experience. Fujikaze has known in the past that he understood the power of simplicity rather than relying on overwhelming effect. He often used minimal visual to create a strong emotional connection. However, it being in a large scale festival setting could push him to expand this approach. We may see a balance between minimalism and cinematic expression, where each visual element supports the feeling of music without overpowering it. This shift could make the performance feel more immersive and memorable for the global audience. The fourth reason is his current artist timing. Right now, Fujikaze stands at an important point in his career. His international recognition is growing, and every major appearance carries more meaning than before. This is not just another live show; it is a moment where he presents his identity to wider audience. Because of this, there is a strong chance that he has carefully prepared something special, whether it is the new interpretation of his song, a unique stage presence, or unique or subtle message within the performance. Everything may be designed to leave the lasting impression. Artists often choose moments like this is to quietly introduce the next phase of this journey. When we combine these four elements together, the confirmed schedule, the possibility of new arrangement, the evolving visual direction, and the importance of timing, it becomes clear why so many people believe this performance will stand apart. It is not about making something louder or bigger, but about making something more meaningful. Fujikaze has always been an artist who connects through feeling rather than spectacular, and this is exactly why expectations are so high. As the date approaches, fans are waiting closely for any small hint or update. Even the smallest detail can become a clue. A short clip, a single image, or a brief comment can reveal the direction he is heading. The sense of anticipation is part of what makes the experience so exciting. It is not only about the performance itself, but also about the journey leading up to it. In the end, what we are saying, it more than just a scheduled appearance. It is about filled with potential, a moment where passion, creativity, and opportunity come together on one stage. Where you are long time fans or someone discovering his music for the first time, this is the performance worth paying attention to. So, what do you think will happen on April 19th? Will it truly become a completely different experience, or will it surprise us in a way we connect yet imagine? Share your thought in the expectation in the comments below, and what make you sure you to subscribe for more updates and stay connected to so you never miss the latest news and insight. Thank you for